Hey y'all, welcome to the DIY, that's Build It Yourself, Do It Yourself network. Look at this door, you see how wobbly it is? Well, we're going to go ahead and fix that. It's a very easy fix, anyone can do it. So first, let's go ahead and remove the screws that we're going to be working on. Because this is wobbly, it's on the door side, on the very top. Now, I've got two options I'm going to show you. So one of them right here is a little piece of stick. I just went out to the yard and found a little piece of wood. You don't want something green, but you want something that's been weathered a little bit. Take your knife and go ahead and whittle it down as needed to just make sure you can at least fit it all the way into that slot. This is one method. I've done this a few times while you're in a pinch and you need something to shove in there. Matches will work, just make sure you don't use the match head, obviously, but use the stick portion. And then we're going to go ahead and put the screw into that first hole. Sometimes you're going to have to kind of dig out that a little bit, try to get that screw in, because sometimes it's not going to fit appropriately because the wood took up too much space. Hopefully that makes sense. Next, we're going to take out these other two screws, and we're going to use toothpicks in place of them. Sometimes when you ask the customer, man, you got a toothpick, they kind of look at you a little funny, thinking you got food in your mouth or something, but just explain that I use the toothpick to kind of help grip the screw. This little trick was showed to me by an old handyman guy, and it was really good, and it really brings to mind, there was a Bible verse that I heard, and I just felt it was very fitting for this situation. It's, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. Proverbs 1, verse 17. Now with me, I always try to learn all kinds of new methods to build, to repair, and so that's why I actually like doing this network, is so that way I can show my skills to other people as well. Now sometimes when you're putting this screw in, you're going to have an issue with the little piece of wood, so I get my knife and just whittle off that little piece of wood so it'll look nice and clean for the customer. So this is my favorite method right here. I just take the toothpick, push it in, twist, and let it hang down there, and I can kind of balance it with my finger so it won't fall. And then I just rip it off right there, any excess pieces, and it works out great. And if there's any little sliver of wood, sort of like right there, I could always grab at it and rip it off. Hopefully this earns me a thumbs up and a subscribe from you. And if you go ahead and follow me, I always am posting more videos. You all have a blessed day, and we'll see you when we see you.